Do you want to know how you can sign up for your muah.ai? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign up for muah.ai. Go ahead and search for muah.ai sign up and then click on the first link which appears on your screen, or you can even click the second link. If you click on the second link, it will take you to this page where you can continue with all of these and you can sign up or sign into your account. Or else you can see that this is the page directly for creating a new account. Just go ahead and write down your username which you want to select for your account and write down your email address. After you write down your email address, go ahead and click create account. And you can see that in a while you are currently logged into your account. You can go to dashboard and you can see that you have created your account on Muah. You can now start talking to people and you can see that there are lots of characters generation over here. So guys, this is how you sign up for muah.ai. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.